Hazrat Thawban, the slave of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, states that while he was standing beside Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one of the Jewish scholars came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Assalamu alayka ya Muhammad." I pushed him so hard that he narrowly escaped the fall. He said, "Why did you thirst me?" I replied, "Why didn't you say, Ya Rasulallah?" He said, "We call him with the name which his family has given him." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "The name which my family has given me is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." The Jew said, "I have come to ask you some questions." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If I tell you something, will you be benefited?" He replied, "I will listen to you with rapt attention." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then scratching the earth with a straw. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ask." The Jew said, "Where will the people be when the earth and the heaven have been changed?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "They will be in darkness near the Sirat bridge." He asked, "Who will be the first to cross the Sirat bridge?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The destitute emigrants." He asked, "When they have entered paradise, what will be served to them?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A piece of the fish liver." He asked, "What will be their food after it?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The bull that used to graze in paradise will be slaughtered for them." He asked, "Then what drink will be served to them?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "The water of a spring called Salsabil will be served to them." That Jewish scholar said, "You have spoken the truth, but I have come to put you a question which only one or two men know saves a prophet." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Will it benefit you if I give you the answer?" He replied, "I will single-mindedly listen to it." He said, "I have come to you to ask you how a baby is developed." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "A man's water is white, whereas a woman's water is yellow. When these both fluids mix with each other and the man's semen overcomes a woman's discharge, a baby boy develops with Allah's command. And if a woman's reproductive substance dominates a man's semen, a baby girl develops with Allah's command." The Jew said, "Undoubtedly you have spoken the truth, and you are really the Prophet of Allah." Thereafter that Jew went away. After his departure, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I was not attentive to the things he asked. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu draw my attention to them." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 714.